Did you know over 55% of code is now AI generated? By 2030, 90% of the code will be written by AI. This rapid shift increases the risk of hidden bugs and security flaws. Source code audits are crucial to ensure your software remains secure and reliable. AI generated and third party code can introduce vulnerabilities and compliance issues. Audits help identify these risks early, protecting your business and building trust with stakeholders. Start by defining the scope and objectives of your audit. Focus on critical components like authentication and data access to ensure comprehensive coverage. Inventory your codebase and dependencies. Use automated tools for static code analysis, then perform manual reviews to catch subtle vulnerabilities. AI-generated code requires careful scrutiny. Verify libraries and confirm licensing to avoid legal pitfalls. Ensure compliance and validate business logic to maintain integrity. Open source licenses can be tricky. Check for incompatible licenses and ensure all obligations are met. This step is vital to avoid legal complications. The good news is there are several tools available to automate code audits. Automated audits enhance security for AI and third-party code, maintaining trust and integrity in your codebase. One of the tools I highly recommend is Code Registry. It implements continuous audits in your existing code with a proof of code ownership and integrity. By implementing regular audits, you'll safeguard your software and build confidence with users. Start today by integrating these practices into your development process. Visit thecoderegistry.com.